Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, as you can see here, we have the T800 Ultra 2 smartwatch. So before the 2023 ends, let's have the unboxing of the T800 Ultra 2 smartwatch. And as you can see here, there's a very big improvement on the packaging. It looks more elegant or professionally made compared to the previous wearable or model. The T800 Ultra is a very popular, affordable smartwatch in the market, and we do hope that this one will have a much better design, or at least have a much better features, okay, compared to the previous T800 Ultra. And seems like we have here, as you can see, 2.3 inches display. Okay, so let's have the unboxing of this wearable, and hopefully we'll have a very good smartwatch here. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable, especially on the video review, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, let's start again. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year and welcome 2024. So let's have the unboxing of the T800 Ultra 2 smartwatch. Okay, so let's remove this plastic. And let's explore the T800 Ultra 2 smartwatch. Again, this is a smartwatch clone of the Ultra or the Apple Watch Ultra smartwatch. Okay, before we open the box, let's check it here. So 41.3mm, 45.5mm, and 14mm in thickness. So we have some features here: steps, distance, calories, heart rate monitor, and other features here. Okay, the Ultra 2. Let's see. Okay, let's remove the cover here. And we have the user manual. Okay, so we have the user manual. Let's check. We have the QR code here. We have the application available in Android and iOS 5.0 and above, 9.0 and above. Supported Bluetooth 4.0. And we have the contents of the smartwatch. We don't have an extra strap. Oh yes, we do have an extra strap. Okay, we have here, okay, the ocean strap with steel buckle, and we have the sporty strap. Okay, we have these two straps here. We have the wireless charging cable, and we have the smartwatch. Okay, so let's check. So we have a beautiful color here, titanium finish. Still, we have a big round button here and a wheel-shaped button. Okay, so far it looks okay. Okay, it is similar, pretty similar to the previous, okay, or to the newest Ultra 2 smartwatches. It's a bit glossy here. Okay, the back we have the PC cover here with the real screw, and we also have the watch strap lock. Okay, so we will measure its weight as well as the dimension. Okay, let's check first the dimension of the T800 Ultra 2 smartwatch. Again, this wearable, this clone, is in the affordable category. Okay, very affordable compared to other models of the Ultra 2. And it is also one of the latest. Okay, for the weight, let's check. Okay, still have a battery left. 0, and we have at least 40 grams. And with its strap, we have the ocean strap here. It is around 56 grams. Okay, so let's attach the strap and see the look of the wearable. Again, we have the watch strap lock here, as you can see. Okay, so this is the bottom part. Okay, then the other one. Although the seems like the lock here is not working properly. Okay, it will not lock. Okay, let's see this. Okay, still the same. Okay, the grip is not that hard. Okay, it's not that strong. I think if you would like to have a much better strap, you have to look for a strap with a steel here. Okay, it will certainly latch or lock on. This one is much better, I think. Let's check. Okay, this one is a better fit. Let's remove this strap. Okay, oh, we attach it in a wrong position. Okay, this one is much better. Okay, it looks nice. Okay, as expected. Okay, there's a big improvement on the finish here. We still have the orange action button, the speaker. You have the crown button and the pill shape button on the side. Okay, and seems like we do have a slim black border. Let's see if we still have a power left enough for us to see the screen display. If not, we'll charge it and see the screen. Okay, we'll have a preview of the screen display. Okay, it's not powering on, so it's depleted, I think. So let's charge it first, and we'll see the 2.3 inch. Okay, as you can see here, 2.3 inch screen display. Okay, so we charge it for a few minutes. Again, this is the T800 Ultra 2 smartwatch. So let's check on the screen display. Let's have a preview of its UI. Okay, so we have here the screen. Let's see if we can change the watch face just by turning on the rotary button here. So we have here very slim black border. On top we have the notifications. On the bottom part we have the quick settings, and on the right side we have the different watch faces as expected with the HryFine or HryFine application supported smartwatches. On the left side we have the quick settings. Okay, pressing this will activate the main menu. I guess this is the return button. And while for the other side, for the orange action button, we have, I think it's sports. Let's check. Okay, so the same layout just like any other smartwatches, ultra smartwatches. Okay, so that's it for the unboxing, a preview of its design, okay, and specifications. Again, the screen display is 2.3 inches display, and the full specs we have it here for the T800 Ultra 2 smartwatch. Again, for if you have any questions regarding this wearable, the T800 Ultra 2 smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.